Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the best and easily beef fried rice recipe. Let's recipe start. Boiling beef and other ingredients: onions, ginger, garlic paste, and other ingredients. Rice add and boil beef soup add and beef fry, and then oil add other ingredients, other vegetables, green mirch, carrot, and other vegetables add. Fry beef add and other vegetables add. Recipe is done. Recipe is done, and serve and enjoy recipe. This is a homemade recipe. This is the best and easily beef fried rice recipe. Okay guys, Allah Hafiz.